Welcome to our homeroom guidance for Grade 7, Module 2, Second Quarter, Week 1, My Road to Success. Learning Objectives. At the end of this module, you are expected to number 1, share to others the relevant lessons that you have learned from school and from community. 2. Explain how others affect or influence your knowledge and skills. And number 3, appreciate the importance of lessons learned from school and from community. Can you imagine how hard it is to climb up a coconut tree, especially if it is your first time and you are the first person to climb it? It will probably amaze you to see how farmers take their easy way up to those tall trees. The first climb is the hardest because the person who climbs first marks and cuts slits on the bark of the tree that will serve as a footstop for the next person who will climb it. This is similar to your experience as a learner. Your family, the school, and the community can help you in determining the path that will lead you to success. In this module, you will learn how other people in your lives and in the community can influence you. Let's try this. Lesson Statement Box. Copy the lesson statement box on a clean sheet of paper. Write your response under column A, Personal Response. Ask your family member to complete column B, My Family Member's Response. And answer the processing questions after. Question. How do you compare both your responses? How can you apply the mentioned lessons in this pandemic? Is it really important to use the lessons you learned in real-life situation? Why? Let's explore this. They help me to learn. On a clean sheet of paper, copy and complete the following table. Under column A, list down information, skills, or talent that you have recently learned. Under column B, put the name of the person who helped you in learning the information, skills, or talent. And under column C, state how did that person in column B help you. And answer the processing questions after completing the table. Questions. For your answers in column A, what is the most important information, skill, or talent that you have learned recently? Why? Based on your answers under column B, who are the people who often help you to learn different information, skills, or talents? How do you show appreciation to those people who help you in learning new things? Keep in mind, LEARNING for learning, my road to success. Academic success is not merely having high grades, excelling in rote memorization, or taking up multiple courses. Academic success is a good mix of learning the lesson and at the same time making sense of what you have learned. How will you know if you are learning and if you will be able to achieve academic success? Here are some important points that you can take note about learning. L. List down important information. More than the required notes as part of the academic requirement, it is important that you utilize note-taking as an important skill in studying and learning. This will help you in keeping a record and in the retrieval of information that you might need in the future. E. Engage in learning activities. This may not always happen in school or as initiated by your subject teachers. Learning activities may be any learning opportunity that you may experience at home, in school, or in your community. A. Ask relevant questions. Asking questions or inquiry is part of the learning process. Do not hesitate to ask questions in order for you to have a better understanding about something that interests you or about things that may not be clear for you. Through asking questions, it will be easier for you to make sensible judgment and eventually make better decisions. R. Read, read, and read. Reading is an important skill that you will use profoundly in your daily life. Make it a habit to allot an hour or two for reading. Reading will help you gain better understanding about many things. N. Nurture your interest. Be with people who support your plans and interests and participating in relevant activities. The people around you can share information, skills, and talents that will better engage you. I. Initiate action. In learning something new, it is important to act on it. You should not wait for others to push you to learn new things. This is the best time to acquire new skills and to enjoy the huge information available in books, websites, and other materials around you. You may ask the help from your older siblings or other family members. Asking questions is an initial action toward learning. And navigate your direction. Along with initiating action, it is important that you navigate or plan how you want to proceed. Take time to make a plan of action and look at possibilities on how you can apply what you have learned in your daily life experience. G. Get things done. Finishing what you started is a way to maximize learning. At this point, you may have a lot of interest and you are eager to learn. However, it is important that when you are starting something new, you also need to finish it. Setting a timetable will be helpful. You can do it. Choose one from learning or learning and write down 3 ways on how you are going to apply this in this new normal. An example has been provided to guide you. Example. R. Read, read, and read. 1. I will choose the book that I want to read recommended by my siblings or family members. 2. I will set the time in the day for reading every 4 p.m. when I am done with my homework. 3. I will make sure that I finish the book before the exams week. What I have learned. Identify one person who has a big influence in your motivation to pursue learning. You may write a short paragraph, 3 to 5 sentences, or draw a symbol on a clean sheet of paper on how the person made you to learn more. Share your thoughts and feelings. On a sheet of paper or cotton band, write 3 important lessons learned from school and community that you will always remember.